I'm all about the classic, but I always believed that even simplest dish deserves a service upgrade. Today we're taking the humble potato and turning it into top tier masterpiece with 5 different fillings and fired up right into embers. This is going to be phenomenal. Let's go. Check out the technique. We build in the pocket for the pure flavor. A precise 5 mm slice almost through the edge. We're creating a chamber where the ingredients can fuse with the potato. It's rugged, it's simple, it's a pure gold. Number 1, the Smoky legend. This thick-cut bacon loaded with cracked black pepper and smoked paprika. Slide it right in. Wrap it tight. Into the coals. Next up, the savory infusion. This combo is a total mind blower. The sauce streams directly into potato. It creates a deep caramelized finish. It's majestic. Into the fire. Number 3, Mediterranean. Tangy feta, rich sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh basil. It's vibrant, it's punchy. The cheese softens, the tomatoes melt. It's like sunshine wrapped in a foil. Flawless. Into the fire. Number 4, the Nordic twist. Salted salmon and fresh dill. We're baking the fish right inside. It's going to turn out buttery and heavenly as it steams in its own juice. A real touch of elite flavor on open fire. Into the fire. And finally, green melt. Avocado drenched in fresh lime juice. Under the heat, it transforms in the rich, warm cream. It's a unique velvety texture that's a total knockout. Seal it up. into the fire. And 30 minutes later. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm. The paprika is the next level. Mm. One of the best. 100 Michelin stars. Mm. And look at that. Mm. Steam rising. Skin charred to perfection. The aroma is out of this world. Mm. This is what real outdoor cooking is all about. Mm. Mm. The garlic glaze is so intense. Mm. Perfect. 10 Michelin stars. Mm. Mm. Feta and basil. It's perfect. It's fantastic. It's 25 Michelin stars. That's what I love. Next one. Mm. 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 The fish is flaky and perfect. Mm. And the final one. Mm. That's awesome.
That avocado just like silk. Perfectly baked. Don't just make a food, make a statement. Try this out and let me know which one wins for you. I'm staying here with my fire. See you next time. Done? And remember, if you subscribe it, you're invited. Welcome to Чужок. Bye bye.